My neighbor calls, he goes, "Hey, T-Bone, you want a free golf cart?" "Heck yeah." No, that's just pure redneck. I'm gonna have to keep it. Anyhow, this old thing is rough and been sitting for years. Even got some free tires that ain't no good. Got to get some of this mess out of the way. Well, that tire's got some air in it. Huh, amazing. So it came with no key. It came with no charger, but that's okay. Came with rotting seat too. But that's all right. And if y'all know anything about golf carts, these are 6 8-volt batteries in here. And if you don't have any juice, a regular golf cart battery charger will not start them, won't charge them unless you got some kind of voltage. Welcome back to T-Bone After Hours. I'm T-Bone. It's like brand new. Some of you know this, some of you don't. The way I tell, you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 caps, times that times 2, that's how many volts the battery is. So I am sure it's got like 0 volts. What you look for is your main terminal out on positive, and back over there is your main terminal out on negative. And this is my negative out. Let's see if there's any juice in this thing. Select over to DC. All them batteries, we got 5.58. Now we need y'all to leave some comments down below. We got to make a decision. Is this worth saving or not? So y'all watch along. Let me know, because y'all might know more about golf carts than I do. Number one, we're going to put some water in these batteries and see if we can't charge them to get some kind of juice, because we need to know if we can actually make the wheels turn. And no, I don't have a key, but I got an idea for that too. Now, when you're putting water in these batteries, you want to use distilled water. Something about all the vitamins and minerals it don't want. So we're going to top these batteries all off with some water, and I'm going to show you how to charge 8-volt batteries with a 12-volt charger. Can you believe that? So I was told by the neighbor guy that these batteries were bad. I see they're 2008. Got a sticker right there on them. And whoever he got it from didn't want to put the money in it. So it was sitting in the first people's yard for God knows how long. And then he got to sitting. Oh, that's full. Look at, make a mess, T-Bone. I've been sitting for years. So it is what it is. Now, normally you don't want to overfill these. But as you can see, I don't really care, because these batteries will get replaced anywho, simply because I know they ain't no good. New set of batteries, you can spend upwards $1,000 on a set of batteries. They get expensive. It may be worth converting over one of them lithium iron or lithium ions, but you have to buy a different charger, so I hear. This old dog here, this is a real battery charger. This was my dad's. Had it since I was a little old feller. It's old. Now, let's talk about this right quick. Positive just goes to your controller, thingamabob, whatever. That's your positive. Then your negative goes to positive, to negative, to positive, negative, positive, negative, da-da-da-da-da. It just basically goes in a circle, and it all adds up to give you 48 volts. So we've got 8 volts per battery. So 8 and 8, 16. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the positive right here. And then I'm going to skip and go to the next one, the negative on this battery. And then we're going to feed her the onions, y'all. I got to plug it up. So right here where it sits, where I've got it hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and hook up my voltmeter. Let's see how many volts we have on these 2 batteries. 0.020. It ain't got nothing. Let's throw some juice to it. All right, what we on? We on 12 volt low, 6 volt high, going to 12 volt medium. We're gonna put it on there about 30 minutes. I know y'all can't hear me for this fan here. I just hooked back up these same two now with the charger going. We throwing 14.5 volts at it. We're gonna let her boil for a while. You know what I mean? Folks, anytime you mess with the batteries and charging and all that stuff, you really need some good safety glasses on. Don't do what I do. But I have seen them things blow up. A battery can blow up on you. It'll blow the whole daggone top off. Ask me how I know. All right, our timer just cut off. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see. That's a positive, and that's a negative. Get this on there. Ooh, that one there's loose. We'll tighten all those up in a little while, but this right here do for right now. Okay, let's start and let's see where we're at. Hey, do y'all remember where we're at when we first started with this set? Now, of course, the battery's still warm from 30 minutes of charging. Let's see what we got. Oh, we did a little something. We up to 9.41. That's better than nothing. All right, let's check this other side. Let's hook this on. I done got all tangled up here, y'all. Let's see what we're reading off of these two. All right, we got 1.11 volts. Let's charge them for 30 minutes. Next positive for this next set. Now, I got an idea, y'all. If I get some voltage in this thing, you know, I've got our personal cart is a club car precedent and happens to have the same hookup. If I can get enough voltage in these doggone batteries, I wonder if it'll pick up and charge them up some more. All I want to do is see the wheels turn. We know these batteries are bad. So there's one way to find out. All right, let's check. We're going to check right here. Do y'all remember what this set was? I don't remember. I have to look back on the footage to see. Hey, y'all say hey to Mrs. T. She was down there filming that a minute ago. Oh, we brought this up to a whopping 9.67. Cool. Let's put these other two up, see what'll happen, Captain. Oh, first off, let's see where we are here. If I can get my cables right here. Let's see, there. And over here, heck, I'll clamp it right there. See if we got any voltages. Maybe I will. Let's see what kind of voltage we got on this set. Oh, shoot. Here. Let's get that out of the way. Let's do this and this. My wire's all tangled, y'all. All right, let's see what we got. Back to DC. We got 1.23 right here. Let's boil these a little bit. All right. That's done. So let's check this out. Let's see where we're at right off the bat. All the way total voltage all across the whole system. Hold on, I got to get over there. Let's see what kind of total voltage we've got. All right. Volts, select DC. We're up to 26.35 volts. But guess what else I got, y'all? Well, our personal golf cart is a club car precedent. And just so happens that big fat connector right there is the same that's on this. We'll see if there's enough voltage for it to pick up. Maybe that'll take over and charge the whole thing up. All right. This thing's heavy. All right, we're going to plug her in. Please don't let me blow up my charger for our personal golf cart. All right. A lot of times these things take a minute or two to, that's the big charger. They take a minute or two to take off and detect voltage, start charging. If we hear a buzz, we're in business. I don't hear no buzz. Dang it. All right, I don't want to mess up a known good charger. Let's unhook this. I got another plan. Well, since I got a little bit of voltage in these batteries, I decided to try my NOCO. All right, so I've got this NOCO Genius 5 hooked up, and it did start charging. So I'm on a pair of batteries there. I'm gonna do these few, but in the meantime, we don't have a key. So we need to get in here and get this out where we can gain access to the wiring behind it. So I've already removed the screw on the other side. It's got a little plastic cap and then a Phillips screw. And hopefully this thing will come out. What do y'all think? I've never taken one of these apart before, so I don't know. Any more screws? Hang on, oh, we're getting somewhere. Let's try not to tear nothing up. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. All righty. We access this stuff. So don't have a key, but since this is just a basic on-off switch here, all I got to do is jump from there to there and don't need a key. Let's get this back end jacked up because I'm going to see if these wheels turn. So this little tiny jack here, I want to lift that big one up here. I want to get these wheels up off the ground just so that we get it, there's no pressure or anything, and I don't want it to, if it does take off, I don't want it to take off on the trailer. But I just want to see if they'll turn so that we know our motor's good and our rear end's good. Oh yeah, this looks real safe. Perfect. Check this out. There's not even any bushings in the leaf springs. Ooh. All right, y'all. So we just go, where you at? There you are. We just go wing it. I got me a little jumper wire here. Let's hook it up. No sparks. Let's see. All I'm going to do is hook it up. Now we're going to hit this gas pedal. That appears to be in the forward, I guess. It looks like forward. 10 minute wheels go turn. I hear it clicking back there, but nothing's happening. Probably not enough voltage yet. And I've still got the NOCO hooked up on these over here. Now I'm going to check overall voltage and let's see what we're looking at. It's showing 32, flashing back and forth between 32 and 39. That may have something to do with that NOCO. Let's disconnect the NOCO. All right, now we're sitting there, what, 31, 30. It's dying quick too, buddy. All right, so I'm gonna disconnect this NOCO and got the golf cart charger back. I think maybe with more voltage here, maybe it'll start charging. I don't know. Let's find out. Plug it up. Let's see what's gonna happen, Captain. Come on, baby, kick on. Come on, kick on. Usually the crank start buzzing. That amp meter shoot over to the right. Dang it. All right, I'm over here real close at this charger. I'm putting my mic up here next to it. I can hear it making some noise. All right, that meter's not jumping like it does when I got it on our other cart, but let's see. This thing's putting out 54 volts right now is what it's showing. So I guess it is charging. Huh. This probably ain't the smartest thing I ever done. I'm gonna hook it up. No sparks. All right, 10 minutes. These wheels gonna turn. Whoa, yeah. What? Oh my goodness. So here's the question I need you guys to put down in the comments. Guys, gals, everybody, comments. What should we do with this thing? These batteries are expensive, you know, and I know, yeah, you could convert it over and all that to a lithium ion, but a set of batteries, maybe I can find a set of used batteries, but that might be throwing money away. I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments what you think we ought to do with this. At least we know the motor's trying to turn, the rear end, maybe. Of course, these tires, you can get them cheap. So let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching T-Bone After Hours. I'm T-Bone. We'll see you next time. It moves. Sorta. Golly.